Error handling in JavaScript. Error handling is an essential aspect of programming that involves identifying, managing, and recovering from errors that may occur during the execution of a program. In JavaScript, errors can arise due to various reasons, such as incorrect input, network issues, or unexpected behavior. Proper error handling helps in creating robust and stable applications by gracefully handling unexpected situations. Types of errors. In JavaScript, there are different types of errors. Syntax errors: these occur when the code violates the language's rules and cannot be parsed or executed. Runtime errors, exceptions. These occur during the execution of the code when something unexpected happens, such as accessing an undefined variable or dividing by zero. Logical errors: these errors do not produce any error messages, but they cause the program to behave unexpectedly due to incorrect logic or calculations. Try-catch statement. The try-catch statement allows you to handle exceptions, runtime errors, gracefully by providing a block of code to be executed in the event of an error. Syntax. Finally block. You can use the finally block along with try-catch to specify a block of code that will be executed regardless of whether an error occurs or not. It is commonly used to clean up resources or perform cleanup tasks. Syntax. Throwing custom errors. You can also throw custom errors using the throw statement. This allows you to create your own error messages and handle them in the catch block.